one of my neighbors. They cool people, man. All right, let's get over it. Boy, the 50 is slow. Scrape a little peg scrape. All right, where we gonna go? Where we gonna go? Man, I'm pretty psyched. My daggone collarbone definitely even feeling better than yesterday. Some people just don't weigh back. Let's go the back way. Man, I'm so happy just to be out here riding again. Woo! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! Got the front wheel off the ground. I got the GoPro on my chest, so y'all can't tell when I'm looking behind me and everything, but I do look behind me all the time. Oh, I'm at the turn there. All right, we'll go through the neighborhood. They got bees out there. Oh yeah, y'all can't tell where I'm looking. Oh. Back over there. They had bees. Bum bees. Let's hit the sidewalk. Nice. I think I confused her, but she realized that she was like, oh, okay. I love nice people. Oh, I don't want to hit that puddle. if you don't like all this heat. It's probably, I don't know what it is today. Let's see. Oh shit, I don't even have my phone or nothing. Oh man. See if they chase me out of here. Probably. My bad, bro. You ain't gotta be rude. God, always gotta be a dickhead, man. Nope, I'm going this way. Bye. Fucking idiot. Dickhead, I'll ruin everybody's fun. Ain't hurting nobody. Ah. What the fuck just happened? Oh. All right, that flat broke. Straight broke. Damn. Holy shit. Oh my Lord. Oh. Damn, this got no pickup with the exhaust off.